welcome to everyone. You are on my YouTube channel. My name is Dari, and today I will make a review on my two parcels that I received recently and show what I have bought. First of all, I should mention that both parcels I have ordered them on the websites Chanel and Dior. They are not sponsored or something like that. Everything I've done on my own money, and so the review will be very fair from my side. So now we will unpack them. Okay. First of all, we shall start. I think it's from Chanel. Yeah, it wasn't from Chanel. The first one is from Dior. It's filled with paper or something. And here it is. This is Dior eyeshadow palette. Dior show 5 colors. I wanted to order these eyeshadows because they're very popular. So it's 669 soft cashmere eyeshadows. I will open and show you. Look, please. Okay, you have 5 colors, 1 small mirror, 2 brushes, and I think that these colors are very nude, very popular. They will suit almost for all occasions, both for wedding day or for birthday party maybe, or some. I think that day makeup also will be okay. So I think they are rather universal and will suit me. Okay, the next one. What else I have here? The next one is it's Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. This time I decided to buy another color rather than 001, because 001 color is very light. It's more like just a glow finish for your lipstick or for the lip liner, and it was obvious for me that I need something more bright from the Lip Maximizer colors. Let's come back. Oh, very cool color, I think. It's 990. It has some holographic finish, I think. We shall test it. I will show you all the swatches, and everything will be tested on me. Next is what is in the pocket. Let's watch. So, what is in the pocket? These are my samples, which Dior gave me for home. This is perfume for men, I think. Then Dior Capture. It's serum for face. I will test it also. Grease Dior, what is it? I don't know. Let's unpack. It's also a perfume. Then a small sample of Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. It's also 001 color, like my previous one. Okay, thank you, Dior. So I think that's all with Dior. And now let's check what Chanel have sent me. Oh, it's from Chanel. Very beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful. Very elegant, and the card. So let's unpack it. is here. Here are samples, yes. Sublimage, less serum under the eyes, and just a small Rouge Allure liquid velvet sample. Okay, we'll suggest it. And here's only one piece. It's Mascara, Le Bon de Chanel. I've already mentioned it in my other videos that this mascara is wonderful. Bon de Chanel give your lashes the wonderful volume. They make a very expressive look, and you will be very, very beautiful on your evening. So that's all for today. My review is finished. Soon I will make these swatches and test them on myself.